المباراة وأفضل لاعب عندنا ومن أفضل اللعيبة موجودين عندنا في الدوري ياسين إبراهيمي. ياسين, today you're happy now. We have two Amir Cups now, الغرافة.
السلام عليكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والله, it's amazing feeling. Honestly والله, this group, this team, it's amazing. You know, we miss our second part of the season, but wallah, with a big mentality, we come back, and alhamdulillah, wallah, we are very happy today to win. It was a tough game, you know, against a very good team. So alhamdulillah, we are very happy to take 2 times in the row. It's amazing. So alhamdulillah, we are very happy.
The fans today, we more happy. We know you lose for the leagues.
Yeah, of course, yes. You know, we want to give the happiness to our fans, to all the people that support us. So today, I think they are very happy, and we will make this party together, inshallah.
Are you fighting for the Amir Cup, huh?
Brother, he's the best trophy in the Qatar. So alhamdulillah, we are very happy.
Thank you. شكرا لياسين إبراهيمي. حماد عندك.